What is up, everyone? My name is Jonathan. Thank you for joining me for another video. This video we will be looking at something in Adobe Premiere, and it is something that I encountered and had to dig around and search and read through way too many pointless Adobe Community Support Forum answers, and I finally found one that answered the question. So I tried to recreate the issue, couldn't do it. Thankfully, I guess I couldn't recreate the issue, but if you've ever had it, and probably why you're watching this video is because your video and your audio is like skipping. It's like playing in fast forward. You didn't change any settings, you didn't change nothing. You just reopened an old project, or maybe you started a new one and it's just skipping, playing in fast forward, and you have no idea what is going on. I finally found the answer in an Adobe support forum, and I will put the person that answered that, up on the screen right now, just to give credit to where credit is due. And the answer is by going to edit. You go down to preferences, audio hardware, and you change the default input. This fixed it for me. Hopefully this fixes it for you. If it doesn't or does, let us know down in the comments so we can all try and figure this out. What I did was change it to no input, and then I clicked OK. And after I did, my video played normal after that, and that fixed it for me. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this video helps, and if it does, make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. If you want more videos, or if you want something specific done, make sure to leave a comment below. I'm always down to help. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video.